Yes, be ready for the dictation. Ready and start. The appellant lived with the respondents in USA for 10 months after her marriage on 11/6/1982. Stop. On 15/3/1983, a male child was born to them is USA and was named Abhijit. Stop. Due to certain compelling circumstances, comma, the mother within bracket appellant and the child left the respondent on 24/1983. The child was 35 days old. Stop. Thereafter, comma, the respondent hyphen husband had no occasion to live with his wife and the child so far. Stop. They have been involved in unfortunate litigations, both civil and criminal, both in USA and India for the last 14 years. Stop. The respondent is continuing to live in USA while the appellant and her son have been living in India. Stop. The boy is now studying in 8th standard in a school at Pune. Stop. The respondent hyphen husband filed a divorce case in USA against the appellant and also sought custody of the child. Stop. Initially on 15/3/1983, the US courts had given custody of the child to the mother hyphen appellant. Stop. A divorce decree was passed ex parte on 23/9/1983. Stop. On 22/1984, the child reached India with the appellant's mother. Stop. The respondent then obtained an order on 11/4/1984 ex parte containing directions as to visitation rights in his favor. Stop. Late on, 34/1984, the court passed an order ex parte modifying the earlier order unto one of temporary custody in favor of the husband hyphen respondent and shifting the temporary care, control or possession of the child from the appellant to the respondent, until a final hearing as to be held on all issues. Stop. On 28/4/1986, the U.S. court passed on ex parte order granting permanent custody to the respondent hyphen husband. Stop. In the meanwhile, the appellant proceeded from USA to Australia and then reached India and joined her son. Stop. She then filed MJ petition number 985 of 1985 in the Civil Court, Bombay, for a declaration that her marriage with respondent on 11/6/1982 was null and void inasmuch as the respondent's marriage with Bhagyavanti was subsisting on that date. Stop. She claimed maintenance for her and the child and for a declaration that the divorce decree passed by the US court on 23/9/1983 was not binding on her and for injunction against respondent from removing the child from her. Stop. That the divorce decree obtained on 25/10/1977 by the respondent against Bhagyavanti did not bind Bhagyavanti has now been declared in the fresh divorce decree passed by the Indian court on 11/6/1984 as stated above. Stop.